we'll guide you through how to use Replit for JavaScript. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Replit website on your desktop. Once you're there, you need to log in or sign up if you haven't already. After logging in, you'll see the dashboard. Click on the Create REPL button, which is usually at the top left corner. In the template selection screen, choose JavaScript from the list of available languages. This will set up a new project for you with all the necessary configurations for JavaScript development. Once your REPL is created, you'll see a code editor in the center. On the left, there's a file explorer where you can manage your script files and assets. You can start coding by editing the main.js file or create new JavaScript files as needed. To run your code, simply click the Run button at the top. This will execute your JavaScript code and you'll see the output in the console at the bottom. If you want to use any packages, click on the Packages icon on the left sidebar and search for the package you need. Replit will automatically install it for you. You can also use the Shell tab to run commands like npm install for more advanced package management. For collaboration, you can invite others to your REPL by clicking on the Invite button, and they'll be able to edit the code with you in real time. Replit also offers a built-in version control system, so you can track changes by committing your code. Remember to save your work often by clicking the Save button, or using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+S. This will ensure your progress is not lost. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.